Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Jill. As a registered nurse, I know firsthand that the best way to care for your health is to understand how your body actually works. But let's be honest, most anatomy textbooks are dry, confusing, and honestly a little boring. That is exactly why Dr. Robin Dickinson created this program. Dr. Robin is a board certified family physician, and frankly, she's brilliant. She started this human biology program back in 2020 with a mission to engage middle school students. Dr. Robin has taught thousands of students all over the world, and I am so honored to be her assistant and work alongside her and our team who shares my passion and love for Dr. Robin's school. The program has grown so much that we now have levels for everyone, from our youngest learners who are just starting out, all the way through high school, and even adults who want to understand their body with a owner's manual. I'm going to show you the heart of our Everyone program, LifePath Anatomy, and Dr. Robin's incredible anatomy coloring book that makes learning this science feel like a creative and life changing adventure rather than just a chore. Our primary studies is geared towards kindergarten through sixth graders. It's highly visual and focuses on the big picture, such as what are these organs and why do they matter? Our advanced exploration in LifePath Anatomy is for tweens, teens, and our older students. It includes nearly 11 hours of deep dive content. It doesn't just tell you what an organ is, it explains the physiology, the how, and the why, in that signature Dr. Robin style that engages all ages. Now let's talk about Dr. Robin's anatomy coloring book for serious young scientists. Dr. Robin illustrated many of the pictures herself. I absolutely love working in these books myself. It is just always so enjoyable to learn about the human body from a true medical doctor. There's wonderful, precise illustrations of the organs plus information on each page about what each system or organ is responsible for. And it's not just memorizing. Dr. Robin has a special way of tying everything together so that the entire body systems make sense. And there's really funny little jokes in the book. Every system is covered. This book is great for not only children but also for adults. This is a really enjoyable book to do if you're at home just relaxing and wanting to learn. When you purchase the physical book on Amazon, you actually get free video lessons for select content Dr. Robin walks you through each page, explaining the systems as you color them. It's the perfect entry point to see her teaching style and how it's become so popular. If you want to see the magic for yourself before diving into a full level, I invite you to sign up for our free resources. We have a massive vault of things that you can download, such as sample coloring pages, the Kickstart bundle, or even explore the Neurodiversity 101 samples. Dr. Robin's goal has always been to make this high level science accessible to every kind of learner. Visit docrobinschool.com/YouTube. I've put the links to the coloring book and to our LifePath Anatomy programs in the description, so go check them out. In our next video, I'll be joined by my daughter, Virginia, to show you our career-focused MedPath program. For those of you who dream of wearing scrubs one day, just like me, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nursing and physician science education tips. Thank you so much for being a part of Dr. Robin's School. You are so valued. Happy learning!